Hi everyone! So I just landed here in Caticlan Airport and now I am taking the shuttle to get to the boat. So this is the pickup. So basically the shuttle from the airport to the port is about 10 minutes, and then the boat ride from Caticlan to Boracay is another 10 minutes, and then I think after that there's a shuttle again for 25 minutes to the hotel. So alright, I'll keep you posted. So this is the lounge.
Welcome to our Movenpick lounge, sir. You may take your seat for a moment while we wait for the boat.
Okay, thank you. I'm just gonna walk over there.
By the way, my name is Nor. May I inform you that our travel time for our boat will take us 5 to 7 minutes, and another van ride going to the resort that would take us 20 to 25 minutes approximate time po. You have already me and Sir Vince will be assisting you from here going to the resort. So enjoy your stay and I'll see you in the hotel. Thank you.
Thank you, Nor. Alright, so we're now ready to board the ferry. It's only 5 to 7 minutes, so hopefully that's a short ride and it's not gonna be bumpy naman, no?
Hindi naman po, water is calm.
Okay, so it's a calm water right now. So this is your private docking area, right? So that's the we're now ready to leave. Nice. so beautiful here. Now here in Boracay after that very smooth boat ride. Only took about 7 minutes. So it's so beautiful here, and I'm here just in time almost for sunset. So it's 5:20. I think I probably have an hour or so before the sunset, so I should be able to get to the hotel. But there is another 25-minute van ride to the resort. All right.
This way you will get your bag.
Okay. Thank you po. North Lake takes time. Right. Thank you. So I'm now checking in.